Chairman jangka Minority Linguistic Board jangka Sokar Assam USDF matagasngi afro pratrek ukala lengkot arjar arpuar luan hanang ba Shillong banyak kendu yakin sosang bafer namar ke Shong Syier jo kejai pendirit pa kibasa akan dikejela UDF habaikan bikin patai khabar ula ong bakijan shibun ki kam ya ke bakiret pa ki Shong hapen ke Shong Syier bat ula kentu ya kesokan bakla bakan thongno daka Minority Development Board ka bakini kiret pa kunyo ban pasngau ya kejeng baki Akynduh.
And the reason of the visit is that very recently I had gone through some media coverages regarding stabbing, innocent, law-abiding citizens in Shillong by some, I would rather say criminals, because people who generally stab genuine citizens, they are basically criminals. And the thing is that to get a first-hand information about what is happening, I have visited Shillong in my personal capacity and today in the morning I met Honorable MLA Mr. Alexander Heck, had about half an hour, 40 minutes discussion with him on various issues. After that, we had a small meeting in RR Colony, Community Hall, where people from different societies were present. I have a chance to meet Mr. Rudy Warjery, former Indian Foreign Service officer. And again, I'm trying to meet Honorable Governor also in the evening to discuss the issue of such stabbing and sort of victimizing the linguistic minority groups in Shillong. Another thing I would like to mention is that since I have studied in Shillong in my primary school days, it's very nostalgic to be here. I have a lot of love for Shillong and mainly the RiKhasi community, because my childhood days, my friends, most of them were Khasis, and it was like coming to my own house, and it used to be a very much brotherly feeling. So when I heard that two persons, they went for a hunger strike in Shillong on the issue of violation of human rights for the linguistic minority groups. So that attracted me and I got in touch with them and I wanted to know what was the matter. They informed me that since very long, such incidents have been occurring now and then, and the government is not very keen in taking proper investigation and arresting, or even there is no proper judgment. Therefore, most of these people who are basically minority here in Shillong, they don't have too much influence politically or economically or even socially, but they are Indian citizens. They feel very neglected, they feel very insecure.
Akan dikejuk kasngi ude frengkat bat uba hek ubalong u MLA jong kaseng BJP kila lek banyak kendu ya ulat kejelaman pensengau ya kan dikejeng ke bakiret pai ke kendu nak kaliang jong uba hek ula ong bakan dikejeng le kalau nak kejeng jak buram ya kejaj beri hibar kowe wala ra kan dikejaj beri ke bai ya kejeng suk dai tang ke katangan ngot ki riurunar ki bedan keti ki buan ra ya kanam seniu ya kejelah.
No, we met the Honorable Governor today to report about the injustice that is happening in Shillong. See, have seen that our people, tribal people, they are not communal, number one. You have seen recently in Mokhar, Darbar, Shnong, many people, even the pastor, others were called a meeting to see that there is no untoward incident, no communal thing should be happening in our states. So our people, general people are not communal, but some anti-social elements are there where our government are not taking actions against them. So I, on behalf, the National Executive Member of BJP, I condemn this kind of atrocities, this kind of unwanted what is happening in our city, in our state, Shillong, and our state of Meghalaya. So we don't want this. We are strongly condemn this kind of behavior, what is happening in our state in Meghalaya. This kind of the social anti element cannot be tolerated, because we are all the peace-loving citizens of our state.